right. Puppy number 3. I see your face. Oh, there you go. There you go. Let's see that face. Let's see the face. Beautiful puppy. Puppy number 3. Look at the back. There we go. Here's the side. Where are you going, huh? Where are you going? Where are you going? They're fast. All right, let's see that face again. Full collar. Got that little J coming down there. But, hey, let's see the face. Be still for a minute. There you go. Just 8, so little dirty, aren't you? All right, hope to hear back from you.